this is a Copenhagen last stop. Here is a Malmo bridge and it's very beautiful. Today is a -3 degrees Celsius, but still we are enjoying. If you have four-wheeler, so here four-wheeler parking is absolutely free. If you have electric vehicle, so electric charging socket also available here, so you can charge very easily and enjoy. Today is Sunday, sunny weather. Some kids playing board, playground. I came with this beautiful lady, but she covered entire her body because of outside no one are saying, oh, it's not right sentence, this is a -3 degrees Celsius. Dragor. Okay, there is a Malmo bridge. I traveled 2-3 times. See here guys, -3 degrees Celsius. Still I am recording the video just for you. So please share this video, subscribe and give me super thank you around $10 only. है ना? Water is so clean. During the summer definitely we are coming here again for the swimming. This is Copenhagen Marine Drive. Bandstand, bandstand. Don't come this month on such kind of weather here. You can come here always in during summer. बेटा बहुत ठंड बज रही.
दुकान बंद है पिट्टू, ऑलरेडी थकी है.
Original plan is we are coming here for coffee date and put it here. This is a boat station. आराम से. कहाँ जाते? As I say, this is a free parking. और बहुत दूर है रे, उतने दूर कहीं जाते।
पहले ये फिशिंग के लिए फेमस था।
देखो ईमान, हाँ ये एरिया
हाँ ये एरिया
अभी भी लगता मुझे ये
मार्केट है यहाँ पे। फिर वो स्वीडन से लोग यहाँ आते हैं
अच्छा।
ब्रिज, क्योंकि डेनमार्क में है एज कम्पेयर टू स्वीडन। उधर की साइड में अपना कैफे है।
वो उधर ही शायद से
हाँ, वो उधर।
लास्ट वाला। दस किलो का है और बकरे के वेट का।
हाँ वो दो लास्ट से 2 नंबर वाला है।
ऐसा वैसा समझी क्या उनको क्या रे। See the Cafe Dragør मेनू बार।
अच्छा वो अपन ने तो बुक कर लियो तो।
हाँ।
नहीं तो उधर बिठा दी वो अपने।
I am purchasing cappuccino only because of I already done my meal. It's affordable price, not so expensive, and outside view is pretty good. Without booking, you don't come here. You always book the table from online because of the cafe is very small. What is your opinion, my love?
Yeah, definitely book the table, reserve the table before coming here. So it's a nice idea. I'm just ordering something for myself, something in warm. So let's see what I have. Something warm to drink.
We ordered 2 cappuccino. Each price is 40 Danish krona and this one is around 30 Danish krona. So this cappuccino and this beautiful sightseeing. So finally we are wind up, finished cappuccino. This is a good cake. The remaining last spoon I will eat. And this is final bill. 39 krona each cappuccino, and cake is 30 krona. Around bill is 108 Danish krona. Here are some tourists also coming, some Chinese people. Here parking zone also available, but first